Hey, what's up, YouTube? Sandy C is here, and I'm back. This is, I guess we'd call it part 2 from what's happening. And this segment will be called How to Make It Not Suck. Yeah! Okay? So we know what's happening. The sky's falling, in short. So go check out the other video if you need to know what's happening. But here's how to make it not suck. And remember, I'm not a financial accountant, advisor, or anything. I'm just a long-haired goofball that likes playing in the grass, okay? So none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research. Yeah, always do your own research. You got to do that, okay? So what am I here for? Well, I told you in the last video of what's happening, basically in a nutshell, without the politics. Just kind of, hey, this is happening, whether you like it or not. Now, how do we make the next few years not suck? That's a good one, because right now all this information, it's crazy. What do I do? It's too much. Oh, buy this, buy that. Don't buy this, don't buy that. It's too much. Okay, we're gonna kind of go with a little timeline, and this is just what I'm doing. Okay, we're all different, so you might do something different, but I just want to make this. I'm a layman, so I want to make this. You know, I've spent all these years putting this into my head and translating from the tech expert wizard talk into just layman, normal words, things like that. You know, not speaking legalese or financialese or any of that stuff. Okay? So how do we make this cycle not suck? And here's a little timeline. Okay, so for one, right now, as in yesterday, you need to stock up on 6 months to a 1 year worth of food. Minimum. You're not looking at investing or doing anything else. Your investments are done. Your crypto's done. You're not buying anything until you acquire at least 6 months to 1 year of food. I recommend 1 to 2 years. That's my goal. That's what I'm going for. I'm trying to add a month of food to my food storage every 2 weeks. Every time I get a paycheck, I'm trying to buy a month of food, store it away. Okay, you can check out my canning videos and other preparedness videos. It's awesome how to preserve food without any refrigeration, no freezing. Throw it in your closet and forget it. Awesome, easy. Okay, check those out. But that's number 1 right now. Okay, in terms of what's happening in the world and the market, you need to stock up 6 months to a 1 year food minimum. Okay. Then, once you get your food, before, and it kind of already started, so you need to have your food, and this is kind of going in right now. Now's the time to buy the physical gold and silver. Yes, after a market crash, prices do plummet on everything. That includes gold and silver. But, with the way we apes have been acquiring, with the way that silverbacks have been buying up silver and gold, it's looking like silver and gold are going to be called unobtainium very shortly. So if you want to get on that, now's the time on that. So right now, while we're crashing, food, physical gold, physical silver, okay? That's what I'm doing. Remember, I'm not professional. This isn't advice. This is just what I'm doing to try and make it easy for you to see through the fog, okay? So food and physical metals. Right now, okay? When the market does crash, I mean like the real crash, you can even start now, but when the market does crash, not advice, am diving headfirst into mining and agriculture stocks, okay? If you look back into your charts, after every single little bump, blip, crash for the last 100 years, look what metals do. Look what silver and gold, especially the mines, do. Within a couple months where everything's doing this, after a couple weeks to just a couple months, all gold and silver bucks, oh wait, we screwed up. Daggum dang. And they launched to the moon. Okay? So, when it crashes, I'm jumping into the mining and agriculture stocks. Okay? Then the next thing, as the gold-silver ratio comes closer to the historical average, 32 to 1, 140 to 1. I'm going to be getting my eye on it at like 50 to 1. But anything under that 50 to 1, I'm going to start trading silver for gold. Straight up, silver for gold. Right now it's about 80 to 1, give or take, which means it takes 80 ounces of silver to acquire 1 ounce of gold. As that ratio corrects, it'll only take, say, at a 40 to 1 ratio, 40 ounces of silver to 1 ounce of gold. So now if I take my 80 ounces that today would only get me 1 ounce of gold, if I wait, my 80 ounces will now give me 2 ounces of gold. And I just doubled my gold, like that. Okay, so that is the next part of my little plan. Okay, and then and these kind of go together as gold and silver and real estate. I plan on leveraging my gold and silver while it's high to buy real estate while it's low. So this is going to be my entry into real estate because I'm a renter right now. I know, I suck. I'm terrible. So this will be my way in. This will be my foot in the door. I'm going to take my silver and I'm going to buy somebody's house for half off. Okay, and then here's another exciting part. We're in crypto winter. We're in the crypto winter. I've missed all of them because I was too dumb. I was a speculator, but now I'm an investor. So I'm getting with the cycles. Yeah, get with the cycle, get with the cycle. And that's what we're here to do. We're here to cycle together, people. Yeah, you heard me. We're here to cycle together. Okay, so we're in a crypto winter. What does that mean? I don't care. Look it up. Look up crypto winter and look up Bitcoin halving cycles. That's what this is about. Okay, so Bitcoin had a halving cycle. I don't know off the top of my head. I'm not smart enough to know about it. I just know we're in a crypto winter until the beginning of 2024. So what does that mean I'm going to do? Well, the price of Bitcoin is going to be dropping on down. And I like that. I like it. So what a lot of people are doing, this would be the smart thing to do. This isn't necessarily what I'm going to hopefully try and do this a little bit, but this is where you'd want to dollar cost average. You know, every week, every couple weeks, buy a little bit of Bitcoin, buy a little bit of Bitcoin, buy a little bit of Bitcoin. That way, when crypto winter ends in 2024 and the next halving occurs, you got it ready for the next launch up. All right. You remember that? What was it? 2019 and went to the moon, and then 2020 because of crypto winter came down, and me and every other idiot speculator go, what the hell? This is stupid. This sucks. Daggone dang. Well, and then what happened? We went through another halving and it bounced back up. So this is all just a cycle. So look up the Bitcoin halving cycle. It's sweet. Okay, we all need to cycle together. That's all this is about. All right. So that's really it. That is my plan going forward in a nutshell. In a nutshell. Help! I'm in a nutshell. Help! That's it. That's the plan in a nutshell. What's happening? What to do about it. How to make it not suck and how to take advantage of it. All right, guys. Sandy C. I hope I have put your mind at ease. That is my goal there. There's a lot of things happening. Okay, so I'm going to try and just pick the meat and potatoes out. Stick to the basic stuff. Keep it simple, stupid. I'm a big kisser. I like kissing. I love keeping it simple, stupid. All right? So keep it simple, smarties. All right, guys. Sandy C is out. Later, dudes.